Hindi pa nga, hanggat di na nawawala yung ano sinulid.
So, what's up guys? I'll be doing.
Doktor mismo nagsabi sa akin, magbuhayaan bilaan nila.
I'm really sorry about that.
Iba ko din talaga yan, kahit nakikita ko sa cellphone eh. Yung mga
It's noisy here.
ganyan eh.
It's noisy here guys, so I don't know how to do it about it because my grandpa and my sister was noisy here in home. So we're about to grind something and we still have one, so let's donate to someone. Even small donation, which it helps. So let's ask some people. I'll cut the video because it will be take so long. So yeah guys, I think Bacon will donate us. So let's wait for him. You say later, so alright. Let's find some other donations. So guys, I've been searching on the old server but no one was donating, so I go to the legacy server because I still don't have a freaking BC chat. So yeah, be patient guys. I'm sorry because no one donating me. Alright, bye. So guys, no one was donating me. I don't know why. So I don't know. I'm gonna still grind until 5 minutes.